guys, what's up? For another Camaro Garage video, we're gonna be cleaning this mess. And this mess is the mess that we had since we moved in.
Quick little time lapse of this disaster zone. Make sure to watch till the end. We'll give you a shop tour. Alright guys, so here we have the frame of our new CNC plasma table, and I bought it, came in a crate and didn't come with any instructions, so you'll see a lot of me studying my phone. It's because I'm going off a picture and that's all I got. So this is my reference piece to start. Dual starts. Boom. So, give her a good twist. Alright, well, as you can see, we got the CNC table all together. Everything works. Then we got it moved. And we are now working on the next project. What's up, guys? So thought I'd give you a tour of the shop. So the beginning of this video is going to be kind of boring. It's going to be showing us just cleaning the shelves on the shop, but if you made it this long, you see where we're at. So we got a little sandblaster and welder over here, chop saw. We have the old Atlas 8-speed lathe. Here's the sign I just cut on that table. But I was having problem after problem, but turned out it was probably the ground cable or the parallel port cord touching another cable, because it's stopping after every 5 minutes, which is very annoying. So if you go from there over to here, you got the pride and soul of this whole YouTube channel, the 1986 Camaro. My first car when I was 15. And then we got a blast bay over here. These some new light bulbs. But yeah, little blaster there. I switched all the hoses from 1/4 inch to 3/8, so it's a little bit more heavy duty. All right. We got obviously we got the fan. Suck it all out. It's good for painting in here too. I paint in here sometimes, although I don't like to because it gets the glass dirty. Big old compressor. And this is my son's Camaro. Still don't know the year. There's no VIN on it. I bought this car as a parts car for my car. Gonna end up stealing the louvers off of it, the trunk latch. I stole the rims and tires. And other than that, he wants to keep it, so we're gonna get it running. It's got a 2.8 liter in it, V6. And you might notice the big mess that was here before. It was a bunch of car parts. I ended up taking them over to a bin I have for storage. And this is my wife's 1996 E36 325i. Needs a new battery and some new spark plugs, and it's been sitting for a while, so project. We got the Miller Spectrum 500 plasma cutter over here. But yeah, thought I'd give you guys a shop tour. Keep all my paints in here. Got the overhead crane, not really in a good spot. Hits the fan if it's on, if you move it over. And yeah, just outside. I gotta get these lights here. I also gotta get a picture of the sign. Things off, and it is. And then we have a car lift over here. I plan to put a shelter over sooner than later and start using that. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.